Welcome to the bonus part of Sudong series. Now let us look. First, connect the controller using LAN cable. Once the connection is established, launch the Sudong application software. The software provides user-friendly interface where you can create and manage your fastening program. You can upload a product image and mark the exact screw location directly on the screen. This makes it easy for operator to identify where each screw needs to be tightening, ensure a more accurate and organized assembly process. As the screwdriver operates, the software monitoring every fastening result in the real time. Each screw is displayed with the status. OK means the screw has been tightened successfully, while NG, not good, indicate the tightening result is outside the preset parameter and the required attention. The application records all the result automatically. You can export the file in Excel format or the documentation or view them as a graph to analyze production performance and maintain complete traceability. You can save it in your desktop. With the real-time monitoring, detailed reporting, and the intelligent process control, the Sudong NC Clutch Screwdriver help improve accuracy, quality, and the productivity in the industrial assembly. You can see it indicates NG and OK automatically in the Excel format. Thank you for watching. If you found this videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.